Danny, I can't remember if I sent you a video the other day, so there may be some duplication. If I did get that one sent, so your transom has been stained. So the new stain is the stain is on your transom, and the deck's back here as well. So that's complete. We also, and what might be the duplication, that's not a duplication, of course, but what might be the duplication is in the other video, I told you that we've got your seat frames fixed. Most of the looseness was actually due to looseness down here. That has come loose, or had come loose with the, the beating on the waves and the larger people today than when the boat was built back in '46. Larger people inhabiting the boat. So, I speak of myself. But at any rate, so we are getting ready to do, once we get the build-up coats on back here, then we will do the sanding for the maintenance coats, and we'll get the maintenance coats on. All right, talk to you soon.